Hello everyone! In this short video, we're going to be taking a look at Emerald's new BI Gantt view, a Gantt chart visual for Power BI. Specifically, we're going to be looking at how you can utilize color coding in order to group your tasks. So what you're looking at right now is an example of a Gantt chart made using the BI Gantt view. And as you can see, each of our tasks are colored emerald green. So first, let's look at coloring taskbars by grouping. So this can be done in the Build Visual tab, and we'll just scroll on down here to Task Category. So you can group by different types of data depending on your needs, but I'm going to be grouping by work package today. So I'm going to open up our data section and pull in work package. So you'll see that the bars that have a work package assigned immediately change colors depending on the work package classification, as you can see in this column here. So to control the colors here, I'm going to be going into our Format Visual tab, and you'll see there is now a section for task category settings. So here I can change the look of each of our bars by adjusting the colors and choosing the specific look that I want for each of our sections here. So now you can see these are all colored according to their work package. Another way to control the look of our bars is by using a legend. So if I go back to our Build Visual section, I'm going to take out our task category work package, and you'll see the bars now have gone back to green. Then I'm going to scroll back up here to our legend section. So when I pull in data into our legend section, it will create a legend based off of whatever data I pull in. So for example, if I pull in work type, you'll see that I now have a legend created down here, categorizing each of my taskbars according to their work type, as you can also see in this column here. So again, if I want to change the colors of any of these bars, I'm going to go back into Format Visual. You'll see there's now a legend section here. So if I open this guy up, I can control the look of my legend. So for example, I can control the position. Maybe I want it along the right here instead of along the bottom. I can control the name if I would like to change that name up here. I can also control the color of the text and the text size. And lastly, I can control the look of my bars. So as you can see, color coding your tasks is easy and intuitive in our BI GanttView tool. You can group them by the data that makes the most sense to you. So thank you for watching our little video, and feel free to check out our tool on Microsoft App Stores or contact us using any of the methods below. Have a great day, everyone!